Disclaimer.
A massive explosion has rocked Lebanon's capital Beirut at 6 p.m. local time on Tuesday, causing many casualties, damaging buildings and shattering windows. The blast, which flattened much of the capital's port, was felt across the city as a giant mushroom cloud rose above it. Iran, UK, Israel, France, Qatar and Turkey are some of the countries who have already offered humanitarian aid and support to Lebanon. The Lebanese Health Ministry says that at least 78 people have been killed while 4,000 are wounded. Hospitals are turning people away as they themselves have sustained damage and are lined up with people who have been injured by the blast. Healthcare systems in Lebanon are already under a lot of pressure, not just because of an economic crisis, but also because of the rise in COVID-19 cases in Lebanon. Officials from the Lebanese government said that the blast was apparently caused by ammonium nitrate that was stored in a warehouse at the port. Lebanese PM has talked to the press and said that those responsible shall pay the price. He also announced Wednesday, which is today, as a day of mourning. Ammonium nitrate, which Lebanese authorities have said was the cause of the explosion, is an odorless crystalline substance commonly used as a fertilizer that has been the cause of numerous industrial explosions over the decades. When combined with fuel oils, ammonium nitrate creates a potent explosive widely used by the construction industry. What can be done to help Lebanon? One thing that we can do to help Lebanon is donate to the Lebanese Red Cross. This group helps provide ambulance services in the country. It said on Twitter today that it has already set up triage and first aid stations to help people with non-critical injuries. This group could definitely use donations.